You may not know me yet, but soon you will. Welcome back to my channel. Before we continue with today's video, make sure you guys smash that like button and also subscribe to my family if you are not already. I'm like in my car filming, so it's a little bit unsteady today. Today we are going grocery shopping and we're also going to meal prep. Something that I have found so profound and so good in my life is meal prepping every week. It's genuinely helped me out so much because I'm not thinking about what am I gonna eat throughout the week. I don't have to go and get food. It's just sitting right there waiting for me. We're sitting here in the parking lot at Target and I'm sitting here just going through my finances right now, and it's really been eating me up. The truth about moving is you need at least $20,000 to move across the country. Something that like me and my best friend did not do was think through this moving process. And although I moved all the way back in August of 2024, it's January, well, it's February now of 2025, it is so hard to recover. And I have a really, really good job. I'm almost making 6 figures at my job. I work corporate America. Like, I have a really good job. I have the means to live a good life, okay? But I have not, for the love of God, been able to get my head above water since this move. And when we moved across the country with nothing. We had to really restart and get brand new furniture. So like really just hitting our heads every single month. Our rent is not expensive, but because we made this huge move, I think we didn't budget enough money for the move. I think that's a huge reason why we're just we're literally just battling every month to like make ends meet. It sucks so bad. Like, I just paid my bills this month, and I'm gonna be extremely transparent and honest with you guys. I pay my rent and a few other bills. I'm sitting at about $200 right now, but because I have to feed myself, okay, I have to budget out enough food for a week, and I don't get paid for another week, and I'm really just waiting for my bonus to come. I get a pretty nice hefty check in May. So not in May, in March. When you know you have the means to live a good life and you have a good job and bills are billing, like, it sucks when you have to watch your pockets and you can't move around how you want to. Like, I have not had to do this since, I can't even tell you the last time I've had to like watch what I'm spending, because I just live a good life. Like, I really genuinely do. And the fact that I'm here, it really hurts my soul. Like, I'm like dying inside. I've been doing this for probably since I've moved, and I've been pretty down about it for the last couple months, but like this month it's like really eating me alive, and I've been so sad, so down. I've been talking to my mom and I've been like praying to God to like really just put his hand over my finances and just cover me through whatever this season is, okay? Like, it is torture. Like, nothing is worse than not having money in your bank account and having to sit still, but it's what God wants, okay? I'm starting to learn that whatever season you go through, whatever God puts you through, he wants you right there. I don't know, you do what you want, but me, I'm gonna be still and just trust that he's going to get me through. Like, the last couple nights, y'all, I've literally been crying and crying and crying because I'm like, there's no way. I knew when I pressed pay for that rent, I knew it was over with. Like, I know. And it's so crazy because my birthday is at the end of this month and we're supposed to be doing stuff, but it's like, I don't even want to do that. On top of that, I have to pay for a cruise that's coming up, and I don't know. I overcommitted to too many things and I just don't have it in me to do it. So if you are in this position right now, it's going to be okay. Okay, we're going to get through it. This is just a season. I don't know how long it's going to last, but thank God I don't have kids. Like, if I had a kid and I was doing this, I genuinely don't know what I would be doing. Like, shout out to you if this is your season and you have a kid and you're going through this, because this is no joke. Like, I don't wish this on anybody. And yeah, we're just all out here being survivors. And it doesn't help that the economy is going to get worse. That crazy man that we call our president, yeah, just signed off on that executive order. The cost of everything is about to go up. So like, I just down bad right now, okay? Like, and mentally I'm trying my best to just push through, thug it out. Like, my mom literally just told me today, like, you gotta thug this out. So that's what I'm trying to do. But whatever, that's my little rant session. Let's go in here, go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna go home, cook the food, and do what we gotta do, because it's just a hard not life for us, okay? So my audio literally sucked this entire time I was in the grocery store, and I was like, I need to just get a microphone and call it a day. Anywho, for this week's meal prep, I decided to do barbecue chicken and cabbage. And in my cabbage, I typically put like turkey sausage and bell pepper in there. And I also did, what else did I do? I did, shrimp, broccoli, and rice. So those were the 2 meals that I meal prepped this week, and it was so good, you guys. I am honestly just surprising myself every time I cook, because I'm like, girl, where did you learn how to cook? Genuinely, all I'm doing is watching people on YouTube, watching people on TikTok cook, and I'm like, I know how to do that. Like, just going into the kitchen, not knowing what I'm doing, and I'm throwing down every single time. Like, barbecue chicken, I had no idea what I was doing in the kitchen making barbecue chicken, but it came out so freaking good. And look at this. I had no idea which barbecue to even get, but I went with my gut, and here we are. If you are in your 20s and you're learning how to cook, just go in the kitchen and just start cooking. That's my best advice for you. I just started cooking. Like, I don't even know how I started putting stuff together, but I just started cooking. And I think it's the best thing for you to do. Meal prep, 1, yes, but 2, you're cooking your own food. You're knowing what nutrients you're putting into the food. Like, it is so amazing. Also, if you're someone like me that's just single and you don't have anyone to really tend to, and you don't even know what meals to put together, literally just go in the kitchen and do whatever you want to do. Okay, like, you don't even have to worry about what goes with what, because half the time I don't even figure it out. I'm just like, whatever. And my mom is always like, you can tell you don't have any kids and you don't have a husband because you just be cooking. And that is facts. I literally just be in there cooking. So a couple reasons why I find meal prepping so beneficial. 1, of course, I know what I'm cooking and I know what to expect, what I'm eating every day. But 2, I can portion out my food to actually decent sizes and I won't gain weight. 3, really, it stops me from snacking. And when I want to snack, I get these things called yeso bars. Okay, I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but they're like yogurt bars, but they literally taste identical to ice cream. And if you know me, I love ice cream. It's probably my favorite dessert ever. I've been getting the yeso balls though, and I've always got the vanilla bean, but recently I've been getting the sea salt caramel, and they're so freaking good. You guys can trust me on that, okay? The next 2 products are so important. If you have a texture thing going on like I do, this is a really, really good yogurt for you. It's not thick like the typical yogurts. This lemonade, okay, it's from Minute Maid. It's 0 sugar, and it's so good. It tastes exactly like a lemonade. You guys are probably going to come for me. This is probably controversial, okay? But I like my rice pre-cooked, and it's because I don't have time to sit in the kitchen and be doing all this and that with my rice, okay? I eat rice probably every week, and I promise you, I'm not taking the time to cook the rice. I'm not doing it. So I get these little pre-made rice packages, and they're so convenient, and it just literally, it helps my week by a long time. I also seen these viral noodles. Were they worth the hype? I don't know. I tried them and I wasn't like, oh my gosh about it. But it was spicy. It was given very, very spicy. And this chili oil was $11. Absolutely not. Ended up spending only about $80, which I thought I did good. I only have about $100 left in my name. Okay, now the hard part. Putting the groceries up and then cooking it. If you are a meal prepper like myself, you know how tedious it is to cook all this food. But it's worth it. Oh, I'm out of breath. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go home.
I've been watching you from afar. As I can remember, you're all a real man to me, never just for me. This is love. This is more than a crush. polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it started, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you like fuck Cupid. Hate to be a ex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, tryna figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a man, got your own fence. No kid, money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Arch your back, got knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back.
So that was a very long cooking session. I'm about to finish my food now. If you guys want a more detailed video, let me know and I'll see what I could do, but I hate cooking videos. Like, it just takes too long. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm about to shower, get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
We know be clear for your memory. But then now we are all come back. I get those time and I'm even